now very briefly to the Australian curriculum, which I'm sure you've had plenty of PD on at this stage, but just so that you can see the links between the curriculum and the program. The content strands in the curriculum are the big ideas, so that's really what the program's organised around, and they describe what's being taught, as you probably know, number and analytical measurement and geometry and statistics and probability. Under those sit the sub-strands, which are things like place value and fractions and decimals, cylinder number and all those sorts of things. Then the content descriptions in the Australian curriculum describe the knowledge, concepts, skills and processes that you'll need. The proficiency strands I think are interesting because as far as I can tell so far, they won't actually be assessed in the same way, like on a report, in the same way that the content strands will be, but they're fundamental to how students learn maths. So they actually run very strongly through big ideas. The 4 proficiency strands are understanding, fluency, problem solving and reasoning. You'll see they're almost hierarchical in that understanding you need and fluency before you can start problem solving and reasoning. And you'll see as we go through, the early activities build on the understanding and fluency and the later ones draw more on problem solving and reasoning so that students acquire the skills and then apply the skills. And that's how it works. Some of the concepts in the Australian curriculum are not repeated explicitly at year levels, but the program does still touch on those. For example, I think it's year 3, there's no capacity whatsoever mentioned. But the briefings I've been to say, if there's nothing new, they don't mention it again, but assume you will still cover it. So that's how this runs as well. The Discover and Explore sections particularly look at the first 2, understanding and fluency, and then the Connect section is particularly strong on the problem solving and reasoning.